Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, I am going to talk about National Medical Commission approval for new medical colleges in Karnataka. In my previous video, I had mentioned that 4 new government medical colleges in Karnataka are being planned during the phase 3 of the health system expansion plan. These new medical colleges coming up in Chikmagaluru, Chikkaballapur, Haveri and Yadgir districts are inspected by NMC for approval. Unfortunately, NMC did not give approval for these 4 new medical colleges because construction is still going on and the recruitment is not completed yet. So, these colleges are not expected to participate in counseling this year. NMC has already given approval for 1 new deemed university medical college in Karnataka with 150 MBBS seats. Tuition fees for this deemed university medical college would be rupees 14.4 lakhs per year for 4.5 years. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counseling, comment below. See you in the next video.